The pyramids of Egypt have stood for millennia. They are a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. These colossal structures continue to inspire awe and wonder. But have you ever stopped to ask yourself how they were built? How did the ancient Egyptians, with their seemingly limited technology, manage to construct something so massive and enduring? The construction of the pyramids was a monumental undertaking, a feat of engineering and logistics that still boggles the minds of experts today. It required a deep understanding of mathematics, astronomy, and a mastery of simple machines. More than just piles of stone, the pyramids are intricate puzzles, their construction a testament to the power of human collaboration and innovation. The location of the pyramids was not arbitrary. The ancient Egyptians believed that the pharaoh's soul needed to make a journey to the afterlife. They carefully selected sites on the west bank of the Nile River. This was where the sun set each day, symbolizing the transition to the underworld. The west was associated with death and rebirth. The Giza Plateau, home to the most famous pyramids, was an ideal location. It was close to the capital city of Memphis, yet secluded enough to maintain its sacred aura. The plateau's flat, rocky terrain provided a solid foundation for the massive structures. The proximity to the Nile was also crucial. It provided a waterway for transporting the massive stones needed for construction. The design of the pyramids was not random either. It was imbued with symbolic meaning. The shape itself, a perfect pyramid, represented the rays of the sun. The Egyptians believed that the pharaoh's soul ascended to the heavens on these rays. The pyramids were designed with precise measurements and astronomical alignments. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for example, is aligned almost perfectly with true north. Its sides are oriented towards the cardinal points. This precision suggests that the Egyptians had a sophisticated understanding of astronomy and geometry. The height and base of each pyramid were also carefully calculated. They reflected the pharaoh's status and the resources of his reign. The construction of a single pyramid required millions of stones, most weighing several tons each. The primary building material was limestone, quarried from nearby sites. The Egyptians had an ingenious system for quarrying these massive blocks. They would cut trenches around a block of stone, then insert wooden wedges. They soaked these wedges with water. As the wood expanded, it created enough pressure to crack the stone along the desired lines. Once quarried, the stones were transported to the pyramid construction site. This was a logistical challenge. The Egyptians used a combination of sleds, rollers, and boats to move the heavy stones. The Nile River played a crucial role in this process, acting as a giant waterway to float the stones closer to the construction site. Section 5. Ramps of the Gods, Engineering Marvels of the Ancient World. One of the biggest mysteries surrounding pyramid construction is how the Egyptians lifted the massive stones into place. These stones, some weighing several tons, were meticulously placed to form the iconic structures we see today. While there are many theories, most scholars believe that they used a system of ramps. These ramps were essential in overcoming the challenge of height and weight. These ramps would have been made of earth, brick, and timber. The materials were chosen for their availability and strength, ensuring the ramps could bear the immense loads. They would have extended from the base of the pyramid to the level being constructed. This allowed workers to transport stones to the necessary height efficiently. As the pyramid grew taller, so too did the ramps. The construction of these ramps was a dynamic process, evolving with the pyramid's height. These ramps were not simple inclines. They were complex structures designed with precision to ensure stability and functionality. They were carefully engineered structures. Ancient engineers had to consider the angle of the ramp, the materials used, and the methods of construction. They were designed to support the weight of the stones and the workers. The ramps had to be sturdy enough to handle the constant movement and pressure. Some theories suggest that the Egyptians may have used levers, rollers, and sledges to move the stones up the ramps. These tools would have made the arduous task slightly more manageable. This was a monumental task requiring incredible manpower and coordination. The sheer number of workers and the level of organization needed to achieve this feat is a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the ancient Egyptians. Section 6. A symphony in stone, precision and artistry in every layer. The construction of the ancient Egyptian pyramids stands as a testament to human ingenuity and craftsmanship. Once the stones were lifted into place, they were carefully fitted together with incredible precision, ensuring that each block seamlessly aligned with the next. The Egyptians used copper tools to shape the stones, meticulously carving each block to fit perfectly. These tools, though simple, were effective in the hands of skilled artisans. They used a paste made from gypsum to act as mortar. This gypsum paste was essential in binding the stones together, providing stability and durability to the structure. This paste helped to create a tight seal between the stones, preventing any movement and ensuring the longevity of the pyramid. The precision of their stonework is remarkable, showcasing the Egyptians' advanced understanding of engineering and construction techniques. Some of the joints are so fine that you can barely fit a piece of paper between them, highlighting the meticulous attention to detail in their work. The outer casing of the pyramids was originally covered in smooth white limestone, which added to the grandeur and visual impact of these monumental structures. This limestone came from quarries at Tura, across the Nile. Transporting these massive blocks required careful planning and coordination. This casing stone was highly polished, creating a reflective surface that was both functional and aesthetically pleasing. It would have reflected the sun's rays, making the pyramids shine like giant beacons, visible for miles around and symbolizing the power and glory of the pharaohs. This outer casing was carefully fitted and polished to create a smooth, gleaming surface, a true marvel of ancient engineering and artistry that continues to inspire awe to this day. Section 7. Inner sanctums and starry ceilings, secrets of the pyramid's heart. The interior of the pyramids was just as impressive as their exterior. Inside, a labyrinth of passages and chambers awaited. These included the king's chamber, where the pharaoh's sarcophagus was placed, and the queen's chamber, whose purpose is still debated. These chambers were often adorned with intricate hieroglyphics. These hieroglyphics told stories of the pharaoh's life and his journey to the afterlife. Some pyramids even had ventilation shafts that pointed towards specific stars. These shafts may have had religious significance, possibly guiding the pharaoh's soul to the heavens. The ceilings of some chambers, like the Grand Gallery in the Great Pyramid, were constructed using a technique called corbelling. This created an awe-inspiring visual effect. Section 8. Crowning Glory, the dazzling apex of the pyramid. The final step in the pyramid's construction was the placement of the pyramidion. This was a capstone, often made of granite or electrum. Electrum is a naturally occurring alloy of gold and silver. The pyramidion was placed at the very top of the pyramid. It was the finishing touch, representing the pinnacle of the structure and symbolizing the pharaoh's connection to the sun god Ra. The pyramidion was not just decorative, it was also believed to have magical properties. The Egyptians believed that it helped the pharaoh's soul ascend to the heavens. The gleaming pyramidion, catching the first and last rays of the sun, would have been a sight to behold, a beacon in the desert landscape. Section 9, the unsung heroes, a testament to human ingenuity and collaboration. The construction of the pyramids was a massive undertaking. It required the labor of tens of thousands of skilled workers. Contrary to popular belief, these workers were not slaves, they were skilled artisans and laborers. They took pride in their work. They were organized into teams, each with its own specialization. There were quarrymen, stonemasons, carpenters and scribes. These workers were provided with food, housing and medical care. They were even given time off for religious festivals. The construction of the pyramids was a remarkable feat of human collaboration and organization. It was a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the ancient Egyptians. Section 10, Legacy in Stone, an enduring symbol of human aspiration. The pyramids of Egypt stand today as a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of one of the world's oldest civilizations. These monumental structures have withstood the test of time, weathering the elements and standing tall through the ages. They are a reminder of the power of human collaboration. The construction of these colossal edifices required the combined efforts of thousands of workers, architects and artisans, all working in unison. They show us what can be achieved when people work together towards a common goal. The precision and scale of the pyramids are a testament to the advanced knowledge and skills of the ancient Egyptians. More than just tombs, they were symbols of power, religious devotion, and architectural prowess. The hieroglyphics and carvings on the walls tell stories of the pharaohs' journeys to the afterlife and their divine status. The pyramids continue to inspire and intrigue us, offering a glimpse into the minds of people who lived thousands of years ago. They spark curiosity and wonder in the hearts of those who visit, young and old alike. They remind us that we are capable of achieving great things. Modern architects and engineers still study the pyramids to understand their construction techniques and to draw inspiration for contemporary designs. The enduring legacy of the pyramids lies not just in their physical presence, but also in the ingenuity and collaboration they represent, inspiring us to reach for the stars, just as the pharaohs did millennia ago. Their silhouette against the night sky serves as a timeless symbol of human aspiration and the endless pursuit of knowledge and achievement.